Hey y'all, hey, it's Beachin with the Boones, and today we're going to take you on a drive on Ocean Boulevard to show you what the boulevard looks like in October. We're also going to go over some events that are happening this fall, right here in Myrtle Beach.
We started right here at the start of the south end on the boulevard, where you would see diamonds and ocean waves.
Yep, sure is. It's beautiful out here today, nice and sunny. Look at those clouds. It's just real nice. I think it's about 70 degrees out here.
On the dot.
Well, well, if you're coming down this weekend, which is October the 20th through the 22nd, this is going to be the beginning of the Jeep Jam.
Jeepers.
That's right. That love those Jeeps. Bring them on down.
Maybe you'll get ducked. Who knows?
Look at that nice Renaissance inn. Very nice. Beautiful. And you know, I think it's really cool that they get to ride their Jeeps on the beach, you know?
Right.
But
right.
I think you have to sign up early to get that done because I think they sell out every year.
What'd you say, $150?
I think it's $150. If you know the price, you can comment below and maybe somebody can get on a waiting list for maybe next year. But they really sell out fast. And we're going to try to go slow to see if we can see you some fall rates. I think I've heard someone say that they have some good fall rates from anywhere from like $59 or some even say $29. You see that?
That's cheap. I don't know if
Yeah.
I'd stay there though. $29.
You'd be a little scared, huh?
Right. There just went to Compass Cove. Stayed there a few times. What else? You got anything else on the
Yeah.
list?
My goodness, there's something happening every weekend in Lakewood Camping Resort right there in Myrtle Beach. They have a spook house?
Yeah, oh yeah. They got
Little
big
spooky trail. They
spooky
have contests for pets, adults.
If you're camping
Cost-
there, they you can dress your camper up with Halloween or something and win a prize or
That's right.
something like that. And the kids have something every weekend, don't they?
They do permanent spots, and they also do the campsites. So you can decorate your campsites, win prizes. They have Hollywood money, which is like for their Halloween, it's Lakewood money that you can spend at the campground store. And they also give out little trophies. It's really cool.
And that's at Lakewood Family Camping Resort on the south end of Myrtle Beach.
So if you're looking for something to do with the children, you might want to check that out. It'll be going on until October the 31st.
Right.
Yes. Then next on the list is this Saturday, the Witches' Night in Murrells Inlet. Now that is a awesome fundraiser that we do each year.
You like that? You always dress up for that.
I do.
And we're going to be there this year as well. So if you want to see us, we'll be out there.
We're going to try to get by Bubba's Love Shack or the Dead Dog Saloon. And so if you see us out, stop by and say hey. And if you do participate each year, let me know how long it takes you to prepare your costume because, hey, Beatbox over here is fussing at me.
Well, we don't get store-bought either. We try to make our own.
That's true.
Or, you know. We are hoping that
You enjoy this ride? Yeah, just imagine all the Jeeps are going to be in town this week. I mean, it's going to be unbelievable. I'm sure they'll start coming in on Wednesday or
yeah.
might even be heading up here now. The Jeep Jam.
Right.
Yes.
And then we're
Look at the good old Sea Mist. I'm telling you, the Sea Mist is a big, big resort.
right. And right here is the tunnel that goes up under the boulevard. So if you've ever seen that video we put out about the only tunnel under the boulevard, go check that out.
Yeah, that's pretty cool up underneath there. And it used to flood a lot.
Yeah.
And there's Coral Beach. That's very nice and pretty.
Yeah, I like some of these on the south end. They got that old vintage decor, but
That's right. In
of
the
course they're
ocean.
trying to revitalize a lot of Myrtle Beach, so I'm sure they'll get down to some of these eventually and redo them. I hope.
We're coming up on the captain's quarters. That's very nice. Our children always like to stay there. Isn't that the one with the bowling alley?
I think it is.
Think
One
so.
of those. There's
Oh.
a Loco Gecko.
Yep, we've filmed that before. And Seacrest. Now, Seacrest was very nice. I think that was in one of the top 10 voted best
Uh-huh.
on the Grand
on
Strand.
the boulevard.
On the boulevard.
Yeah.
Okay. Blue. Now I really want to go there. Is that the swim up bar?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think my battery's getting low. Hang on.
Oh. Okay.
All right, we apologize. I had to switch batteries out as we're getting up here to the family kingdom. You can see they've taken the gondolas off of the Ferris wheel there, and I guess they're getting ready for the season.
Yep, that's it.
And they also do that for hurricanes, I do believe.
Well, just in case if I didn't say, the Witches Night Out is in Merle's Inlet, and that will be going from 5 until 9 o'clock.
Oh, 5 till 9.
Yes.
And right here is where Splash's water park was. And they're taking it down. It's all flattened, and I guess,
Can't wait to see what's going there. I think you said something about a parking garage, and I hope not.
I think I heard that, but I'm not sure. If anybody knows, just let us know in the comments below. And if this wall wasn't here, you'd be able to see the beautiful Atlantic Ocean. But you can tell, look how pretty it is out
I know.
over there.
I mean, it's just a beautiful, gorgeous day.
Sure is. A little windy though.
Yeah. You have to wear your hat. It's not a good day for golfing.
That's right.
And so the next on our list, we're going to move on down to the next weekend, Surfside Beach. Oh my goodness. Now that is just a wonderful family beach, is it not?
Yeah.
Yes.
I like Surfside. It's really nice and laid back.
It is. It is.
What's happening at Surfside?
Surfside Beach, the what is it? The city of Surfside Beach. They are actually doing a Halloween golf cart parade, and that's running from 3 until 4. If you want to participate in that, go to the Surfside Beach City ordinance on the website,
Okay.
and you can sign up there.
Golf cart parade
Golf cart parade
for Halloween.
That is
And it's
right.
right on the boulevard
Yes. And that's
down there where Neil and Pam's and all that. What's that called? The dining district.
okay, right there on Surfside Boulevard, or what is that? Main Street?
Ocean Boulevard.
Ocean Boulevard.
Yeah.
Surfside Ocean Boulevard. If you want to participate in that, like I said, go online and register. And then if you don't want to participate and you just want to go and join in on the fun and see some cute little golf carts go by all decorated for Halloween,
You can go and stand around.
that's right. There's the Gracious Pig.
Chimichamalama.
Chimichamalama, and then Neil and Pam's is a perfect place to sit.
That's right. Those places we just mentioned sit right on the Ocean Boulevard, so you can watch the golf cart parade from a table or just standing on the side of the road.
Right. So that's October the 28th from 3 to 4 on Saturday in Surfside Beach. The next huge event is Broadway. Broadway at the beach is having a huge Halloween bash with prizes starting from $5,000 all the way down to $500.
Is it that high? 5,000?
Yeah, Beatbox.
Good
So you
grief.
better grab your costume and head on out.
Heck yeah! Guess what I'm gonna be? I'm gonna be beep. Just kidding. I'm not gonna tell you.
Oh well. That sounds like just as long as it's not what you made me be last year, Flintstones. God, that's the worst costume ever.
Anyway, it's there was a lot of people there last year.
Oh my
And
goodness,
it was
it was so
it
much
was
fun.
packed.
Yeah, and he had us dressed up like the Flintstones, which that was ball costume.
Yeah, but
Oh, here we go, Brian. We're coming up on Bayview.
oh yeah.
Is that the swim up bar or?
No, we've already passed the swim up bar. We passed the swim up bar,
Oh, okay.
but that Bay View's pretty good.
Yep, and is this Sharky's? Yep,
There's
there's
Sharky's.
Sharky's. That's nice to eat there, and they have a good, big old, huge house salad with a good view.
Oh yeah, now they do have a good view. Mm-hmm. Because they sit in between the boulevard and the boardwalk,
That's right.
and all of this area right in here, the boardwalk is actually running up and down the boulevard that we're passing. It would be to our right before you get to the ocean.
Yep, and right above, as you can see, they've been working on this for a very long time. They're going to have either condos that you can rent up there with the little satellite stores down below for shopping.
Okay.
So kind of like what they're doing at the Market Common. That's neat. Looks like they're going to have a big old huge courtyard in the middle.
Oh yeah, that's gonna be neat.
It will.
Now, you don't know projected date that'll be open or anything, do you?
We don't, but if we get you one, we'll if we can get you a date, we'll definitely let you know, and maybe they'll let us in to see a room. So let's let these night folks. Yeah.
Okay. Now here comes your right here's your favorite place.
Yes, 8th Avenue Tiki Bar. And if you want to check their websites, they're getting festive for the Halloween holidays, and they have some special drinks going out that are spooktacular.
Spooktacular.
So you might want to check that out. Delicious sweet pizza there. I love it. Look at
Now
that.
this area right here, everybody knows, is where the pavilion used to sit. And we used to have lots of fun when we were younger, walking up and down these roads and these sidewalks, but now they just have some volleyball courts, and I guess that's nice for everybody. Anyway, it's not nice for me because I wish the pavilion was still here.
And you don't know how to play volleyball.
Oh, well, that's probably true.
And Peach's Corner, and y'all need to go in there. They have a very good Peach's daiquiri that they have brewing for you, and you can go on in and get a
swirly kind, wasn't it?
Yeah, get you a foot-long hot dog.
All up in here has got some great food. Where we had the cheap eats.
Yes.
Walked up and down here, showing you the hot dogs and the pizzas and the
Funnel
fries.
cake. Don't
Yeah,
forget about the funnel cake.
That's right.
And even the popcorn was good right here.
Right.
Yes.
And then we're right up here's the Gay Dolphin. So that's the world's largest gift cove. If you ever get a chance to go into the Gay Dolphin, it's a sight. You can get lost in there.
Heck yeah.
One of our viewers said they got lost when they were little, and now they still have anxiety when they
Yes.
go in there.
Every time we go in there, I think of him. Alrighty, and here is the Sky Wheel. So we would love to check out the Sky Wheel one day. We're going to try to do a sunset. What'd you call
Sunset, sunset view.
it? Yeah. Yeah, we're going
On
to
the
try
wheel.
To, exactly. Get it down here
Look at
before.
that slingshot.
Oh yeah, that's something that you'll never see us do. So
No. How far are we going? We going down a little bit further?
yeah.
Um,
We'll step out our comfort zone for y'all, but not that far.
Yeah.
I mean, me going across that bridge was pretty much pushing
here
it.
comes somebody. Good. Yeah, we'll step out our comfort zone.
So you don't have to.
So you don't have to. So right over here, I think we might go eat at Bandito. Is it right?
Yeah, I've been wanting.
You said you were hungry.
Well, you know, the last time we went in there was 2020 for a New Year's Eve celebration.
Roaring 20 party.
That's right. And then after that, the world pretty much shut down.
That's right. It was fun though. The Roaring
yes.
20s.
Yes. I've heard a lot of good things about them. I mean, that night they had a buffet, so I want to go back and try their Mexican.
We'll swing around and do that shortly here.
Okay.
I want to know if Funplex is open. It looks like it's not open.
You said it might have been shut down for the season. I'm not sure
I
about
don't
that.
know. I mean, there's a lot of people still out on the oceans and stuff, but I guess they're swimming and stuff. I saw them the other day, so
There's Legends that we
I don't know.
gave you a look at them whenever we did the bike week last weekend.
Legends is pretty good. They got some good hot wings.
You enjoyed this ride?
Right. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring that bell notification it'll inform you of new videos that we make and when we post them.
And as always, keep beaching.